In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the board thumbnail in Miro. This is a simple yet effective way to customize your board and make it stand out from the rest, giving your team a quick visual cue about the board's content or purpose. Whether you're using Miro for collaborative projects, brainstorming sessions, or creative developments, customizing your board's thumbnail can make navigation easier and add a personal touch. First, begin by opening your Miro board where you would like to change the thumbnail. This is an important visual tool, so taking a moment to adjust it can make a significant difference in how your board is perceived by others. Once you have your board open, look for the option that says Change Thumbnail. This option is generally located in the board menu where you customize most board settings. Clicking on this option will open up a selection area where you can choose from different icons to represent your board. Now, let's dive into the options. Here you will see a variety of icons displayed. These icons serve as potential thumbnails for your board. Think of this as choosing the cover for your book, something that represents the essence of your board's content. When choosing an icon, consider the theme or primary focus of your board. Is it a project plan? Perhaps a light bulb icon would symbolize an idea. Or, if it's a workflow chart, a gear icon might resonate. Clicking on the icon of your choice is all that's needed. This simple action will update your board's thumbnail to the selected icon instantly. Remember, while this might seem like a minor detail, a well-chosen thumbnail can help in quickly identifying the board, especially if you manage multiple projects within Miro. It enhances organization and brings a cohesive look to your workspace, aiding both you and your team in finding the right board faster. So, take your time to browse through the different icons available and try to pick one that best matches your board's content or purpose. And that's it! You've successfully changed the board thumbnail in Miro. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to refresh your board's appearance or update the icon based on new project developments. Miro's intuitive design makes it easy to make these adjustments seamlessly. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this helps keep your projects organized and visually engaging. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your Miro experience as smooth and productive as possible. Happy organizing!